Alright everybody, this is a stateroom tour of room 7608 on Navigator of the Seas. This is a balcony room. I got this as a casino comp. So let me just give you a quick rundown of what the room has. Of course, you just saw me come in through this front door. We've got typical closet space, life preservers, you got the bathroom, which is pretty standard on all the staterooms. I have no idea what fell. Got this big full-length mirror. We got a seat. Yes, I got my bottle of wine and my camera gear. And you got the vanity with some drawers down to the sides. We should have the cooler right there. Got the light switch, got little, normally, oh, wrong side. Alright, you got little spots there. Your safe, I never use the safe. Hey, let me know in the comments if you use the safe. More little storage areas. Desk, phone. Now this cruise, it's me and my mother, so yes, I'm going to have the bed separated as soon as I get a hold of the room steward. Now like I said, balcony room. So, not a real big balcony, but enough to enjoy. A couple chairs. Nice little view. Alright, again, this is room 7608 on Navigator of the Seas for Royal Caribbean out of San Pedro, California, Los Angeles. We're doing a 3 and 4 night cruise. We're doing the 4 night cruise down to Catalina, Ensenada, back to Long Beach or San Pedro. It's pretty much the same. In fact, if you've never sailed out of here, or if you've sailed on Carnival, Carnival is actually straight across that way. You can barely make out the whale tail. The Radiance is over there today. So this is just the other side of the port. This is Port of Los Angeles versus Long Beach Port, but they're all kind of intertwined together. But this is the World Cruise Port in San Pedro, Los Angeles, California. And that concludes this room tour. If you got questions, let me know. And until next time, I am out of here.